Hello, this is a video tutorial. You share the live stream article on Facebook automatically, and if you are live, sell on Facebook that you want. Share your live stream to more people, to more groups. Then I will guide you, and then we're going to set the parameters. Here we will have the live stream post ID. We're going to have to choose, find out the live stream ID. Then we save it here. And we can install it. It's the time of action. How many seconds is the live stream? Then we'll put more on it. Let multiple accounts view your live stream, and then it'll raise your eyes. Next we're going to release Tim. Drop comment emotional interaction. We'll choose our emotions here. If you want to comment on an article, it will have a part in it. Shared source. We'll share it on a personal wall, or we'll share it with the group. And this is up to you to run. We will choose a group by account, or group Theo. ID means that the ID with the group ID is shared to the group ID, or share it to a participating group. And that's how we set up an article. For example, if you want to comment on the live stream, then we'll choose the content. This comment, in the Nick content section, or we're going to write AI raw content. So this is the setting that you have. So this is the installation that help you can be. Automatic live stream sharing, and after the installation is complete, we will select the running account. That's it, and we press start. Then the account will run automatically for you. Thank you for following the video.